What do you believe are some of the conditions for truly achieving success?
The conditions for achieving success. Well, let me tell you, if I have the answer to that, I could make a lot more money. I certainly have my thoughts. But I don't know if I've cracked the code. And if I do, I'll call you.
All right,
we can go.
please.
We can do something together to create more exceptional people, right?
Yes.
So, you know, my last book, the subtitle was 10 Game-Changing Strategies to Achieve Success and to Find Greatness. And in the book, we interviewed dozens of accomplished African Americans to understand their path to success, which we define as what you do for yourself. That's success in our estimation. And also how they've endeavored to find greatness, and we define greatness as what you do for somebody else. So focusing on the former for purposes of your question, just the success piece, you know, there were a number of strategies that emerged from the interviews, and we interviewed Ben Jealous, former president NAACP, Roland Martin, CNN, Hill Harper, the actor, Deb Elam, vice president, General Electric, Don Thompson, chairman of McDonald's. I mean, all notable individuals. And I say that the two, I'd say, primary themes that came out, among many, one is the idea of having a grounded identity and a clear sense of purpose, knowing who you are and where you're going. That identity is your anchor. It keeps you grounded, and purpose is your compass. It gives you direction. It keeps you going. Unless you know who you are and where you're going, the idea of success becomes a bit nebulous, a bit amorphous, because I believe we're all called here for something, and that it's the two most important days of your life: the day you were born and the day you figured out why you were born. I believe that gives you the light in terms of where you'll find your success. And then second is what we define as demonstrating excellence, which is finding something you're passionate about, an area within which you have some gift, that you're good at it. People say it looks easy when you do it.
Yes.
Having the discipline to hone that craft. So again, passion, the things you're naturally drawn to do. Gifts, the things you're naturally able to do. Sprinkle some discipline on top of that, or maybe pour some discipline on top of that, or maybe douse some discipline on top of that. And then lastly is faith. Having a belief in what you can accomplish, perhaps a belief in a higher power, but most importantly, believing that you can maximize the talents, the blessings, the passions, the discipline that you've honed that can lead you on the pathway to success. And so I'm just giving a few of the ingredients, but I believe it's really knowing who you are, where you're going, and then channeling that by being excellent at what you do, being among the very best at what you do, and being the very best you that you can be, that puts you on the pathway and the trajectory to success.
The Exceptional Business Leaders Series is brought to you by the Power Networking Conference and Exceptional People magazine.